Think you need fancy equipment or a gym membership to build serious strength? Think again. Today, I'm breaking down the best strength exercises you can do right at home using nothing but your body weight. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete routine to follow that's scientifically proven to build muscle and boost strength. No dumbbells, no machines, just pure bodyweight training. And here is the kicker. I'll also reveal some crucial tips on nutrition and recovery that will maximize your results. Stick with me till the end to get the full picture. Let's start with the classic, push-ups. They may seem basic, but push-ups are one of the most effective upper body exercises you can do to increase strength. Studies have shown that push-ups engage the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once, making them a fantastic compound movement for building strength. In fact, research published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that regular push-ups not only improved upper body strength but also increased participants' bench press performance by up to 20%. That's pretty impressive for a simple bodyweight move, right? To get the most out of your push-ups, focus on form. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engage your core, and make sure your elbows don't flare out too wide. Lower yourself slowly until your chest is just above the ground. Then push back up. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. As you get stronger, increase the challenge with variations like decline push-ups or diamond push-ups for extra tricep activation. Squat. Squats are often referred to as the king of lower body exercises, and for good reason. This movement targets the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. A 2018 study from the European Journal of Applied Physiology showed that participants who performed squats regularly saw an increase in lower body strength and power, with vertical jump height improving by as much as 12%. Squats aren't just about building muscle, they improve your overall athletic performance. To perform the squats, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, engage your core, and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your knees behind your toes and make sure your chest stays lifted. Start with 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 20 repetitions. Want a bigger challenge? Try squat jumps to add some explosive power, or single leg pistol squat for maximum strength gains. While squats work wonders for the legs, core stability is just as essential for overall strength. That brings us to our next exercise, the planks. If you're serious about building core strength, planks are your go-to. Unlike crunches that only work the surface muscles, planks target your entire core, front, back, and sides. They also engage stabilizing muscles that protect your spine and improve your posture. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning showed that planking exercises significantly reduce the risk of lower back injuries by building deep core strength. To perform the exercise, get into a forearm plank position, making sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your glutes and core, and avoid letting your hips sag. Hold the plank for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. For a more intense core workout, try side planks or plank variations like shoulder taps. Pike push-ups. If you want to build serious shoulder strength at home without equipment, pike push-ups are an excellent addition to your routine. This exercise specifically targets the shoulders, mimicking the movement pattern of an overhead press. It also works the upper chest and triceps, making it a fantastic upper body builder. Another benefit of pike push-ups is their ability to increase shoulder stability, which is essential for injury prevention and posture improvement. To perform the pike push-up, start in a push-up position, then walk your feet towards your hands while keeping your hips raised, forming an inverted V shape. Lower your head toward the ground by bending your elbows, then push back up to the starting position. Focus on keeping your core tight and your elbows pointing slightly outwards. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Lunges. Lunges are fantastic for building lower body strength and balance. They engage the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. But what makes them special is the unilateral focus. which improves stability and coordination. A 2017 study from the Journal of Sport Medicine and Physical Fitness highlighted that lunges improve single leg strength and muscle coordination, making them essential for overall leg development. To do lunges, stay forward with one leg, lower your hips until both knees form 90-degree angles, and make sure your front knee stays behind your toes. Keep your torso upright and core engaged throughout the movement. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions on each leg. For added challenge, switch to jumping lunges or walking lunges to further improve coordination and strength. Burpees. Burpees might have a bad reputation for being tough, but they are one of the best full body exercises you can do at home. Burpees not only build strength in your chest, arms, legs and core, but they also improve cardiovascular endurance. According to a study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, performing high-intensity exercises like burpees can increase muscular endurance by up to 30%, while also improving aerobic capacity. To do the burpees, start in a standing position, squat down, place your hands on the ground, jump your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, then jump back up into a squat and explode into a jump at the top. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Glute bridges. Glute bridges are fantastic exercise to target your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, helping improve both strength and stability in your posterior chain. Research from the International Journal of Sport Physical Therapy shows that glute bridges not only strengthen your glutes but also help alleviate lower back pain by improving hip mobility. To execute the glute bridges, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, and hold for a second before lowering back down. Do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. To increase the challenge, try single leg glute bridges or hold the static bridge for as long as you can. Now that you've got a full routine of strength exercises to do at home, it's important to remember that your gains don't just come from working out. Nutrition. For muscle growth and strength, you need to fuel your body properly. Here are 4 things you should prioritize. Aim for balanced meals with plenty of protein, about 0.8 grams per pound of body weight, and don't skip on complex carbs and healthy fats. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your muscles hydrated and aid in recovery. Dehydration can significantly reduce your performance. Sleep. Your muscles grow and repair when you sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Stress management. High stress levels lead to increased cortisol, which can hinder muscle growth. Incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation can help keep your stress in check. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And until the next one.